Enzo extra hot forex. So let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. It's Friday. We're seeing NASDAQ is going to the moon, guys. So here you can see that it's quite simple, quite straightforward. You can see the we reached the resistance. Sorry, we reached our resistance, guys. This is what we were talking about all this time, that NASDAQ is going to reach these areas. So if you never seen that, go back and watch those videos. And here it's just like, let's use maybe 2-hour time frame. I think we can see a breakout, guys. Today, if we don't see a breakout here, expect maybe a sell-off. But that sell-off won't just happen, guys. Already we have this support here. It means if we want to sell, you're going to wait for the market to break this. Let me show you. To break this support here, you can see this support started from here, so it means it's very, very valid. So it means you can wait for the market to break this area before you can see the market can go lower, you see. So remember, we have this resistance here. It means if this resistance is broken, it means we're going to see the market pushing higher if it's broken, and we can just wait for a retest, or you can just jump on that. You can call that aggressive trade. If the market just closes, if one candlestick just closes above that resistance, if you jump on that, you can call that aggressive trade, because mostly we just have to wait for a retest before we can take that position, you see. But I think everything is just straightforward here, guys. So I don't think maybe there is like some new stuff that I need to tell you. Or guys, sorry about that. So if you zoom a little bit closer, or let's just use 1 hour. On an hour like this, you can see that actually this is a wedge, because this is a resistance that we have. We had from like this before, you can see here. So, and the market is very, very close to, it's about to break this area. If it's broken, we'll be looking for that buy, and that can happen even before the market opens. So it means you should just be on your screen. Just be on your screen so that you don't miss this kind of opportunities. Or maybe you can just place your buy pending orders around this area, or maybe the market will just consolidate, boom, maybe we can see that sell-off. So you have also 2 options, but for that sell-off, maybe let's say if you want to take that sell-off, maybe you can just draw this this support that I already drawn here. Then if the market goes lower, you can wait. If the market respects this area, if it's broken, for now, I don't think even if the market reaches this area, I'm going to buy. I'm not going to do that. I will only buy when the market is on like above like 15,000. Yeah, it's 15,000. Yeah, if it's about 15,000, I will then buy. But if not, I'm just going to wait. If this is broken, then it's where I'm going to say maybe you can sell or something. But remember, the market is overbought, so there's possibility that the market can still go lower, you see. So before we go to US30, guys, let me ask you a few questions, or let me just read some few points that you should have, guys. Maybe this will help, guys. It's like, actually it's few points for being disciplined. So the first one obviously is discipline. You must always be disciplined, right? Follow your trading plan. So always lower your trade size. Be disciplined every day. Never turn a winner into a loser. Your biggest loser can't exceed your biggest winner, which means if today you made like $50 profit, make sure you don't lose more than that $50. So be yourself. If maybe there's those mentors on your Instagram, YouTube, us, everywhere, don't just try to copy everything. If you see me opening that trading maybe NASDAQ with 0.20, please don't do that. You know your account size. Use that 0.1 or 0. Whatever according to your account size. So be yourself. It's fine to copy someone, but there's limits where you should just copy. You don't just have to copy everything, you see. So things they should also correspond with whatever that you have. If maybe I have like $500 account, it means my lot size should correspond with that. If you have a different account, let's say 1,000 account, obviously your lot size should also correspond with that, right? So get out of your losers. If please guys, if you are losing, maybe let's say we said it's a buy, then you buy in and the market just go against you. Don't hold those losers longer. Just take out your losses before they even grow. Don't say maybe, I hope. Don't even pray and think maybe things will just turn out. So just cut your losses very quick. Like, don't hold them. Please hold your profits and then you can enjoy some profits. You always want to be able to come back the next day, you see. So it means make sure that when you trade, guys, don't lose everything on one trade. Tomorrow is still another day, because what I've seen, actually, the more you spend, the more you are like active in the game, the more you're going to see the bigger picture, the ups and downs. But the bigger picture is, as you're going to add something in your account, you're going to make it if you stay longer in the game. But if you just fight the market and you lose everything on one trade, then you are in trouble. So that's why we say you always want to be able to come back the next day, you see. So when you trade, remember that there's still tomorrow. Even when you lose, just know that there's tomorrow, and tomorrow the result might be different, you see. So don't hope and pray. If you do, just close your orders. If you start to hope and pray, I think you will only do this when the market is against you. So please guys, close that, because this will just trigger your emotions. Sometimes you'll no longer see the bigger picture. You'll just try to say maybe it will come back, stuff like that. Just close, do something else, refresh, and come back maybe the next day when you're freshen up, you see. So never take a big loss. I already talked about this one. Please cut your losses, guys. If the market is like going against you, even if you already have that stop loss, just cut them. It means you're wrong. Sometimes if you're wrong, you're wrong. You can't always be right. It's fine. Cut your losses, then move to the next signals. Maybe you're going to win that. So don't sorry hit singles, not home runs, guys. When we say hit singles, it means there's days that we make like $1,000 in one signal, which is fine. Those are home runs. But take those $5 and $10 if the market gives you that. Don't just always think maybe the market will give you like 10,000 or whatever. If the market today gives us like $20, it's fine, guys. It's fine. So it doesn't have to be like on Instagram where people they just always make 100,000 every day. No, take that $5, $3, $20, $50. Those things are numbers. They will all add up in a long run. You will see that okay, money is just numbers. In your PC in the banks, money is just numbers. You see, so that money that will just add up. So consistency build confidence and control. If you understand everything that I've said here, and you win, let's say maybe you win 3 times in a row, then you start to see the bigger picture. You start to be your confidence start to grow, and you no longer you don't mind taking those small losses, because you know that okay, there's other days which are fruitful, then there's other days which are going to be bad. If you know that before you even trade, then your emotion will be like in control every time, guys. So make the same type of trades over and over again. This is like consistency. You just repeat, guys. If maybe today you saw like maybe we just like, let's say I just do the same analysis now and then. Why? Because I saw those if I repeat that, I always see that consistency. You see, I always see that consistency. I always win with that. Sometimes I lose, but most of the time, more than 80% of the time, I make money. That's why we say make the same type of trades. Don't change strategies now and then. No, you shouldn't do that. So, yeah, you should know that. So, the last one is all trades are the same. So, when we say all trades are the same, guys, I'm trying to say that if maybe you're taking a trade now, just know that you can lose and you can still make money. So you don't have to be greedy on any signal or any position that you take, because you don't know if maybe you lost the last one. It might be the same. You might lose the next one. You might win the next one. You might lose the other one. So it means every time when you take a trade, just know that okay, I might lose, I might make money, something like that. So I think we're done. Thank you for that. So let's go to US30 and see what's really happening there. I hope you wrote that down, guys. Maybe that can also help, guys. So I just want to make this bit quicker. I think, okay, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So this week we saw the market trying to recover, whatever, and which is a good thing. I also preached about this on my daily analysis. Look what happened, guys. This was what we were looking last week. So then this week market recovered. So it's quite easy actually. It's quite easy actually, because if maybe you are in the game longer, when you see something like this happens, it means we're going to expect something like this to happen. If you see the market going lower, just expect the market to go back again, which is quite simple. If you don't really fight the market, actually it's easy to make money in the market, because we know that okay, the market is just going up and down. If it goes down, we expect the market to go up. But the only trick is the market won't just shoot higher. The market will create lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, something like that. So you should know where to enter, and that way it's how you're going to stay longer in the market and make some cash, you see. So I understand it's not easy, but just try to make it easy for yourself, guys. Know that the market is not your friend, so you should apply the rules. So here, guys, we had this support here and it's broken, so it means this support is no longer valid. So let's remove that. So actually US30 is heading towards our resistance. So what do we do from here? Obviously from this area, guys, it's no longer a good time to buy. We can see this here. This was some of the area, it was a support. Now we have this one here. So but if we draw some lines here, you can see that the market respected this area, and even here we see something like that here. So can we trust this area? Yes, we can, because we are at higher high. It means for us to say we want to buy, we can draw something like this and wait for the market to come lower, to come a bit lower before we can buy. Or else it means we're not going to take any trade for US30, unless if you are still in those buy trades that you had from days before. So why? Because we are very close to our resistance, and you know what happens when the market is it's on the resistance? Something like this happens. So we don't want to buy around here, then we see a crazy move going lower. You see what happens when the market is on those resistance? The market just go crazy. So we don't need that, you see. So the best way is we wait for the market to reach this area. It's 35,000. Yeah, let's say 35,000. 35,000. So if the market breaks that, it's where we're going to consider buying. Or if the market sells off a little bit and maybe reach like 34,700, it's where we can say we can consider buying again. But besides that, it means if the market respects this area, we can see another sell-off. So everything is possible. Plus it's Friday, it's time to relax. If you made some money maybe previous days it's time to do the withdrawals. It doesn't mean that you should just trade every day. If there's no opportunity, wait for for good days where you will find those opportunities. Don't force things, because when you force, you will end up losing, you see. So I think, yeah, that is enough for US30. So let's go to gold and see what we can get. Gold is been consolidating, guys, but it seems like it's now pushing higher. This is 2-hour time frame. So we had this kind of a move, and so it's like it's messy. It's like it's a mess here. You can see that the consolidation. So what we can do here is just wait, guys. Just wait for a clear structure before we can take gold. Maybe you can draw something like this. If we see a push up, if it can come back again, maybe we can say maybe this is a structure, because this is not clear. So what we can do here, you can avoid taking gold trades for now, unless if you just scalping those. If maybe you're using like 15 minutes, yes, you can take those. You can buy, you can sell, you can buy, but it means you should be like watching your chart like now and then, so which is not safe. So I'm not going to talk much about gold, because we are on a support. The market is away from there, so it means you can wait for the market to reach this area, or maybe reach this area, you see. So yeah, I think sorry about that. Sorry, my phone was just ringing. So I think maybe for gold, yeah, I think maybe we're done. I don't think maybe there's much that I can show you. Don't forget that, guys, I have a special. Let me just show you that. Yeah, you can see we have a special. Let me check that. Yeah, we have a special for this. Is a robot, sorry, it's a system, guys. It will show you the signals. It's only $50 for MT4 for Windows. I think it can also work on Mac, but it needs some like extra like you should just watch some few videos before you can install on your Mac. But if you want the system, it's $50, guys. Everything, it shows you the signals for everything: NASDAQ, US30, oils, everything, gold, everything. So let me check. There's also sorry, let me show you something. We also have a $15 special, guys, for only US30 gold. Okay, here it is. Here it is. It's $15 if you want the signal for gold, US30 and gold. Sorry, NASDAQ 100, US30 and gold. If you want to talk to me, here are my contacts. Here is my PayPal is here. So this it's a starter pack membership. So if you want a VIP, is on special. It's $25. And I just forgot, guys, this system now, guys, is now $35 until Sunday. It's now $35 until this Sunday. Then it's going back to $50. I just forget that. So thank you for watching, guys. If you forgot to subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow the channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a very great weekend, guys. Thank you.